just briefly today. Yesterday I recorded a family of swans and also a dog who was looking at me as he was tired of me, and then he went away. So I hope I don't get such reactions among you, and that at least some things you find that you like. Here we have a swan family, parents and 4 ducklings. They're still gray, but when they will grow up, they will be just like parents are. And what they do, they're eating grass, and I can come really close. They're used to people. Hello, Kuji. Hello, dog. He has such a nice look.